Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I haven't really made a YouTube video in a really long time, but I just saw Spazzy Me's video, and yeah, she's another person on YouTube who stutters, but um, yeah, I thought about giving you guys an update on just on random stuff that's going on in my life. I guess I might as well. I got 7 people who care, 7 subscribers, so But I got facial hair, and I know I've always had facial hair, but just in my previous videos, I cut it, and yeah, then I decided to grow it out more. You know, it makes me look more sophisticated, more intelligent, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but I got out of graphic design. I had an internship at WFCU. Um, Hold on, I gotta fix that so you don't get the ugly there. Uh, yeah, I got an internship at WFCU, which was fun. Yeah, I just went and then and my boss told me, "Here's an idea, go." So I thought of a whole bunch of really cool ideas. Like I thought because we had this thing for Sunday hours, right? And and it was just to promote them because they weren't open Sunday, but they were planning on opening Sunday at certain locations. So I thought about hanging posters saying, "No, we're not getting robbed. We're just open on Sunday, right?" And what else? And then people really liked it in the office, but then I ended up not getting hired. So so then I had to go job looking, and I searched and searched and searched, and I applied for like 150 jobs. Um, I went for an interview at Blue Notes to be the graphic design intern, but they said no, and I traveled all the way to Toronto for that and I applied for jobs in Toronto. And what else did I do? And then I came back to Windsor, right? And I just started mass mailing all these other places then. And then Angel Star Digital contacted me, and I'm currently working with them as their social media marketer, and it's going alright. Um, it's all digital, so so I'm in the office, and I'm just on the internet, and really I can access the internet anywhere. So I don't even know why I'm in the office, but my only real complaint with the job is there's a lot of writing, and Stephanie got to come up with persuasive writing, and me, I'm an artist, and I honestly don't write. I rather draw. But I don't know, but it was something different. It's interesting. It's cool, and yeah, that's it. It's like other than my boring life because it's Saturday, I'm not really doing anything. Um, hmm, yeah, that's about it. Um, yeah, to, yeah, talk to you guys later. All right, see ya. Bye.